Hello and welcome back to our channel, where we explore the mystical world of tarot cards. In today's video, we will be discussing one of the most beautiful and powerful tarot cards, the Empress. The Empress is the third card of the major arcana, and it represents fertility, abundance, and creativity. In the card, we see a woman sitting on a throne, with a lush garden in the background. She is wearing a crown of stars and holding a scepter, symbolizing her power and authority. The Empress is often seen as a symbol of nurturing and growth, as she represents the power of creation and the abundance of nature. When the Empress appears in a reading, it suggests that the current is being called to embrace their creative and nurturing side, and to cultivate the abundance and growth in their life. The card encourages us to trust in the natural cycles of life and to find joy in the simple pleasures of nature. The Empress is also a symbol of sensuality and beauty. The garden in the background represents the beauty of nature, while the flowing river and the wheat fields symbolize abundance and fertility. The card is a reminder that we must connect with our senses and find beauty in the world around us, as it can bring us joy and a sense of fulfillment. However, the Empress can also represent a warning to be mindful of overindulgence and excess. It is important to find a balance between nurturing and taking care of yourself and others, and allowing others to grow and develop on their own. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tarot videos.